Hey guys, Johnson Baird from Aeromotive, and welcome to the Summit Racing Performance and Parts Expo 2020 virtual. Thanks for spending some time with us today. We're going to go over a lot. First, we're going to do a shop tour. If you've ever been to Aeromotive, well, great. Look at it again. If you haven't, then you're going to see us. If you're ever in town, give us a call. We'd love to give you a tour. We're going to talk about our 11 to 17 Mustang drop-ins. We're going to talk about what about those OBS fans. We're going to have a new direct drop-in, easy plug and play for you. What about the 99 to 18 Chevy trucks? They're getting more popular, people are needing more horsepower, and we got you. And lastly, it doesn't happen often, but if you ever need to do returns, repairs, or anything like that, Enzo's gonna go over exactly what you need to do to make it easy. Nobody wants to be in that position, and we're gonna have your back as always. Thanks for coming, thanks for spending some time with us today. Go Summit Racing.
Hi, I'm Matt Brewer with Aeromotive Fuel Systems, Applications Engineer and Research and Development. Today we're here in the Aeromotive Assembly Shop going to talk to you about our new 11 to 17 direct drop-in pump assemblies for the Mustang. Different pump assemblies that we offer for the 11 to 17 Mustangs are, first at the low end is a dual 340. As you can see here, it's our 340 pumps with the jet siphon pickup there. And the dual 340s will support around 980 horsepower on E85 in a fuel-injected and forced induction engine combination. On the high end of the horsepower range, we have a 450 pump assembly that's good to around 1650 horsepower on E85 on a forced induction and fuel-injected combination as well. So again, this would be the high end there. You can also see we have the jet siphon pickup on there that plugs directly into your OEM jet siphon internal hose there, so the siphon function still works correctly with the saddlebag style tank. For you guys looking to add some more horsepower to your street car or your race car, we've got a pump assembly that will cover all your needs. So check out aeromotiveinc.com for more information on all these different 11 to 17 Mustang direct drop-in pumps.
Hey guys, this is Enzo here in the repairs department. Just wanted to go over quickly with you of how the repair policy works. First thing you need to do is contact us. You can either do that via the form on our website or you can give me a call. Second is how much will it cost? We have pricing breakdowns from our A1000s up to our mechanical to our brushless line. Third, how long will it take? You give us a call or email us on our contact form and we'll go over an estimated time frame of when you will receive your product back. Lastly, does it extend my warranty? Yes, it does. It extends your warranty for another year. Just like if you had a new pump, you'd have the same warranty from Aeromotive. Thanks again, guys, for choosing Aeromotive.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed spending some time with Summit Racing and Aeromotive Fuel Systems today. The Race and Performance Parts Expo has been awesome, SEMA 360 has been awesome, and I hope you enjoyed spending some time with us today. Whether it was with Matt talking about our direct drop-ins for 11 to 17 Mustangs or Enzo going over the returns process, we hope you enjoyed a little bit of that. Thanks, and have a good day.